Okay, so in this class, so let us see the problems based on the calculation of the operating profit and also the contribution. Okay, so in the previous or the theory class, so we took the session how we can solve the or how we can get the operating profit in a theoretical way, right? So now let us solve the problems based on how we can adopt the or how we can calculate the operating profit. Okay, so here I have the one problem. So they have asked to calculate the operating profit and the contribution from the following. Okay, let us see the problem. Calculate the operating profit and contribution from the following. Okay, so what they have given? They have given the three datas. So by using that one, now we have to calculate the operating profit. Okay, the first they have given that 1 lakh units were sold at the rupees 10 per unit. Okay, this is the sales. Okay, we have the sales unit. So what that is? It is 1 lakh. Means we don't have the any sales value. We have the sales unit, that is 10 lakh, sorry 1 lakh. So the each unit of 1 lakh is sold at the rupees at 10. Okay, so now our sales worth will be, it is 10 lakh, not the 1 lakh. Okay, next one we have the variable cost of rupees 4 per unit. Means the each cost of these unit will be multiplied and you will get the variable cost. And the last one is fixed cost. Okay, how you will get the fixed cost? So these worth of the production, we have got the 1 lakh as the worth of the fixed cost. Okay, so by using these three, so first let us start the contribution, next we will calculate the operating profit. Okay, so here I will just draw the table, so which we can solve the, so at a time the contribution and the operating profit. Okay, solution, calculation of contribution. So first we will calculate the contribution, right? So that's why I will write the first as the contribution. So later we will calculate the operating profit. Okay, so calculation of operating profit and the contribution. Okay, now let us draw the table. So which is consisting of the two columns. So that is the first one is particulars. Particulars. Okay, next one is amount. Okay, amount is in rupees denomination. Okay, now let us start first with the sales. Okay, but the sales is not in the rupees, right? So what we will get to get the rupees? Okay, so 1 lakh units are there. So for 1 lakh units are there. So the each unit cost or each unit is sold by at the rupees 10, right? So that's why I will go for the multiplication of both the units into the unit cost. So I will get the total sales worth, that is 10 lakh rupees. Okay, once again I repeat. So these are the units. So these are the unit price. So we will get the sales value as the 10 lakh. Okay, now in the sales I will go for the deducting our variable cost, less variable cost. Okay, so again the variable cost is not consisting of the total worth, because they have given the only per unit price, right? Okay, the per unit having the how much? So 1 lakh multiplied into rupees 4, that will give you the 4 lakh worth of the variable cost. So each unit will be having the variable cost of 4. So that's why I have multiplied into 1 lakh into the unit price they have already given in the question. That is, now my variable cost is 4 lakh. Okay, so the difference. Okay, what is the difference now? 10 lakh minus 4 lakh, I will get the difference as the 6 lakh. Okay, this 6 lakh is named as contribution. Okay, so this difference is taken as the contribution. Okay, now further we will move on to the next one, that is fixed cost. Okay, less. So in the which amount we are deducting? In the contribution we are deducting the fixed cost. Okay, so as already I narrated, the fixed cost always will be fixed at the how much number of the production you can produce with your unit. So that is the fixed cost is directly I will write in your amount column, that is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, now I have the difference of these two amounts, that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh is called as now the operating profit. Okay, so this operating profit, so how we calculated? So we took the first as the sales or the sales value. So in that we deducted the variable cost. So the difference of the sales minus variable cost, we got the contribution. Again in the contribution we deducted the fixed cost. So at lastly we got the operating profit as the 5 lakh. So hope you understood the problem. Is it? Now let us see the second problem. So the problem is most similar which we previously saw. That is, calculate the operating profit and contribution from the following. Okay. So what they have given, 50,000 units were sold at rupees 100 per unit, and the variable cost rupees 20 per unit, and the fixed cost is rupees 50 lakh. Okay, now we will just already we know how we can calculate the operating profit and the contribution, right? So let us start the drawing the table. Okay. Table showing contribution and operating profit. Okay, now let us draw our table. So that is amount in rupees, right? So they have given the rupees. So if they have given in the dollars or euro or in any denomination, the same you should mention in your amount column. Okay, let us start with the first one, that is sales. Okay, sales is how much? So again we don't have the direct answer as the sales value. So now what we should do? So we should multiply the 50,000 units into, so per unit we are spending the 100 rupees. Okay, so we will get the how much as the amount. So we will get the 50 lakh as the worth of 100 of our sales value. So which we invested on the 50,000 units. Okay, so in this what we will do? So the next step, less variable cost. So again the variable cost is not given. Okay, always it depends on the per unit. So or the unit. So that's why they have given only the per unit price. So what is the per unit price of the variable cost? It is 50,000 into rupees 20. So you will multiply, you will get the 10 lakh as the answer. Okay, what is the difference here? So you just deduct the 50 lakh divided minus 10 lakh. You will get the 40 lakh as the contribution. Contribution amounted to 40 lakh. Okay, the next step is less again fixed cost. So always I told you, right? Okay, the fixed cost will be remain same for the any number of the production. So that's why directly we will take it to the our amount column, that is 15 lakh. So we will get the difference amount, that is, so 40 lakh minus 15 lakh, we will get the 25 lakh as the operating profit. Operating profit. So hope you understood both the problem, how we can calculate the contribution and also how we can calculate the operating profit. So it is very simple. So by using this table, so we'll also calculate the further as the calculation of interest and taxation charges also. Okay, this can be taken as the another name, that is earnings before interest and taxation. Okay, so that is, in short, we can also say as the EBIT, earnings before interest and taxation. Okay, so hope you understood both the problem. So let us see the next problem in the next video.